Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix error code 30x80040154 in Google Chrome. Step 1. Restart Chrome and your computer. Close all open Chrome windows and tabs. Optionally, restart your computer. Open Chrome again and try checking for updates. Step 2. Clear browsing data. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Settings. Go to Privacy and Security from the left-hand menu. Click on Clear Browsing Data. In the Time Range drop-down, select All Time. Check the boxes Cookies and other site data, cached images, and files. Click the Clear Data button. Wait for the process to complete. Close Chrome and relaunch it. Step 3. Turn off VPN. Open the Start menu and search for VPN settings. If VPN is enabled, toggle it off or disconnect from any VPN. Once disabled, open Chrome again and check for updates. Step 4. Reset Google Chrome settings. Open Chrome and click the three-dot icon again. Select Settings. On the left sidebar, click Reset Settings under the Reset and Clean Up section. Choose Restore Settings to their original defaults. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Read the information carefully. This will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and pin tabs. It will also disable all extensions and clear temporary data like cookies. Your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords will not be deleted. If you're okay with this, click the Reset Settings button. Once done, close and relaunch Chrome. Try checking for updates again. These steps cover browser restart, cleanup, VPN check, reset, and reinstall as needed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.